Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Profusion Dreamscape eyeshadow palette. I was so excited to play with my new palette. Of course I had to use the greens. Big surprise, no surprise. I love the greens and I love how the look came out. Very lemony lime. Beautiful pastel-y palette. Very beautiful palette. This was $8 at Walmart, and Profusion never ever ceases to disappoint. To get started, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, the Makeup Revolution I Heart Revolution Peach Powder under the eyes to catch any fallout. This palette does have quite a bit of fallout. The first shade I'm going to be taking is the Pastel Yellow in the palette. Very pretty matte yellow. And pigmented too, and it does build up easily, and there wasn't really much fallout with this one. All the eyeshadows, the dark green that I use in the outer corner has fallout, and the shimmery shade on the lid had a lot of fallout, but the two shades that I actually used in my crease for like kind of crease shade transition shades didn't have much of any fallout. Now I'm taking the pastel green, the pastel lime green. There's actually a few different shades of green in this palette, but this is the pastel matte, and I'm also using the brush that came in the palette too, and I'm just making sure that I clean it off between shadows, and I'm going to kind of press and build this up in the outer corner and blend it in the middle with the yellow in the crease. And once I have that, I'm going to be taking the darkest green in the eyeshadow palette. Here is where I learned that, like with some other palettes I own, I need to actually put my outer corner color first because it does not want to lay on top of the other matte shades, which is fine. This is a user error. If I would have put this color down first and then done the crease and transition shade, that would have been fine, and that would have worked much better, but because I didn't, it has trouble adhering in the outer corner and darkening or deepening the crease. And once I have they blend out really easy and really nice, like seamless. I'm happy about that, but the outer corner was totally my fault. I'm taking this beautiful shimmery chartreuse green in the palette. This is absolutely stunning. I'm going to take it on my finger first, and then I will be taking it on a brush to just kind of crisp up the crease line and add some additional shade to kind of blend with the outer corner. But overall, this is one of my favorite shades from the palette. It's absolutely stunning. Lots of fallout with this color though. I had glitter all over my face and chest. And this is the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I'm going to be using this under the brow as my highlight, because there's definitely not a definite highlighter shade in this palette if you want a matte one. If you wanted a shimmery one, sure, there's a couple shades that might work for that. And I'm going to use this under the brow to highlight with and blend down the crease area as well. Once that's done, I'm wiping away my fallout, and then I'm going to use this Ioni Phat Chubby stick, and it's like a highlighter pencil, and I'm putting this in the inner corner, and I'm going to take the shimmery golden shade of the palette here, last row first eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. Very pretty. I'm using the darkest green on the lower lash line, and in the center of the lid I'm using the lime pastel-y shade in the center there. And then the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight, and then the Sheglam eyeliner in my waterline. This is like a multi-color or multi-dimensional liner, and it looks red and pink, but it's also golden green and different lights. Now, AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these lashes are from Shein. They're fluffy cat eyelashes. I love them. And then this is a Dollar Tree mascara, and I'm just going to use that to match my real lashes with the false lashes. Once that's done, I've used the Maybelline Superstay Ink lipstick in Chai Genius. Very beautiful lip color. I love it for fall. It's so pretty. And that is the finished look. That's the finished eyes. I hope you enjoyed the makeup look today, found the tutorial helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Profusion Dreamscape palette, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.